When working with leather, we're always working on the grain side, which is the outside of the leather. It's not the flesh side, which is the sueded effect. You always have to be aware that no piece of leather is perfect. You will get some slight imperfections. That's because leather is a natural product, and because of the environment of where the animal is raised, it is subjected to barbed wire fences, tick marks, scratches, and it does show up in the tanning process. So with the silver pen that we use to mark out our flower, just identify those areas. They'll only be minor, but you can work around them by positioning your pattern, your template, over the top of it and making sure that that goes to the centre of your pattern.